friends, welcome to Chemistry Champs. In this video we are learning ladder operator and spin angular momentum. So start with ladder operator. So in our previous video we are studying about angular momentum. So that is denoted by Lx and Ly. So in this, instead of Lx and Ly, there are used some complex combination of these two operators. So this can be written as Lx plus minus iota Ly, and this is the form of two operators that is used for step up and step down operator. So these two operators are symbolized by Jx. J plus is equals to L plus is equals to Lx plus iota Ly, and this is for step up, and J minus is equals to L minus is equals to Lx minus iota Ly, and this is for step down. These operators are called ladder operator. Now these operators are in some addition form. So J square is equals to J square Jx square plus Jy square plus Jz square. So J square into Jx is equals to J square into Jy is equals to J square into Jz is equals to 0. So these are known as commutator because they are equal to 0. Now from our previous video we are studying that Lx into Ly is equals to iota h cut Lz. So in this there is a ladder operator that is J positive and J negative. So these are common J. So this can be written as Jx into Jy is equals to iota h cut Jz, and for other Jy into Jz is equals to iota h cut Jx. Jz into Jx is equals to iota h cut Jy. Now we move on to the spin angular momentum. Spin angular momentum. So spin is an intrinsic angular momentum, and this is possessed by some elementary particle. So these spin angular momentum, there is an addition to some orbital angular momentum because there is a motion of a particle in space. So this intrinsic angular momentum is being due to the motion of particle in its axis. So the due to the quantum mechanics, the magnitude of orbital angular momentum is given by orbital angular momentum, that is L is equals to under root L into L plus 1 h cut. In this, the value of L is equals to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and up to so on. And now there is a spin angular momentum that is given by spin angular momentum. So this is denoted by S, and it is equals to under root S into S plus 1 h cut, and in this the value of S is plus minus half. So this is the spin angular momentum because there is the rotation of particle about its axis. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.